Okay, so I've had a couple of days off and I've welded this section in here. Previous to that, I've just got to go over and neaten it up a little bit, fill in a couple of little spots so you can't see the weld so much. I've come over here to repair this rust section, and what I've done is, yes I can. What I've done is I've put a straight edge on there, even though the cut's not so perfectly straight. I've cut this and cut that with a hacksaw, just the straightest what I could by hand, which I'll go over and clean up later with a grinder. I've center punched the welds and I've drilled the welds with a weld remover, and literally this piece here now separates, and you can see the rust inside there, or the holes, but you can see down in here it's actually quite good, the full width of the metal there, and there's no pit holes. And I'm going to stick the sandblaster down there and then I'll paint it before I weld it back. So I'll grind back all of these and sandblast it and paint it before I weld it back. As you can see, it's all braced, so the position is correct. This piece was not forced in or out. It fits in perfectly, and comes out perfectly. So it's time to cut one from this replacement part from Rare Spares, and I'll take the next video of that. Alright, cheers guys.